Hi, hello, Dr. Stock viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, I am going to give a detailed introduction about what are the important websites that every trader or investor must know to simplify their daily stock monitoring or stock watching. And this is for both investments as well as for the trading basis. So both you can take on all these things. What are the websites that will be very useful for a trader and investors? All these websites I am going to show you one by one. So this will be like a session of more than one session. So in this session, I am going to give you a detailed introduction on what are the sites available. So when you log in that sites, what are the features you will be getting? That is something different. When you open that site and go without a login, what are the features that you're going to see? All these things we are going to see one by one detailedly. And in this video, we're going to see the just listed number of sites which we are going to see, which are important as of now in this video. Going on, the continuation will be like the each sites which is being mentioned here, right? It would be like a fundamental, technical, and option strategy builder. We have three categories here. So all these things will be explained very clearly on picking up that specific topic in going forward. So right now I'm going to show you the different sites which are mandatory for every investor or trader to know. Before I'm starting the topic, I want to make a disclaimer. Investments are subject to market risk, so kindly consult your financial advisor before investing. So here I am going to give you a list of sites that are open source available, and with that, what can we do? All these things we're gonna see in the complete scenarios, right? Part 1, part 2, part 3, like that. So we are going to discuss about close to three categories here: fundamentally useful sites, fundamental analysis useful sites, technical analysis useful sites, and the option strategy builders. So for fundamental analysis, right, we have totally three important websites which are very much useful for the fundamental analysis. So I'm going to start with one by one. I'm going to show all the sites one by one, detailedly, with login and without login, all these things in the upcoming features. So listen to this video from start till end so that you will be having a much clarity. So before I'm continuing with the video, right? So if you are very new to my channel, kindly do subscribe and do get all the updates regarding this important related news with respect to the stock market, and all the content here will be shared as a group so we can all enjoy as a group. So I'll be moving on to the first site, screener.in. So this is the site screener.in where you will be having all the fundamental analysis basics in the site. Going on with the first site, screener.in. So this is one of the fundamental site where you can code a different set of things like whatever there is a fundamental component, right? Shareholding, ROC, ROCE, all these things you can use it separately. Accordingly, you give any stock, right? So the complete sector which is there, right? So all the listing things will be coming here. So all these things will be available in this thing, in this site, and you can able to make a comparison. We're going to see about detailing about this site on a separate video. Right now, I am introducing what are the things which is available as a fundamental sites. Screener.one is one of the very good and very important thing that every investor should know to simplify their work. So this is the login detail of that particular site, and we're going to see that separately in our next video. Moving on with the next fundamental site. I'm going to list all these things in the description as well. Trendline.com. It is also one of the fundamental analysis tool like website. So here also you will be having different options. Like screeners is there. You can build your own screener. You can give any stock and you can pick up the stock holding of that particular stock. Shareholding of that particular company, and you can check everything. It's like a detailed information of complete fundamental analysis will be available here. You can build your own screener here. So main important thing in trading is all these things, right? Websites are coming as an advancement of technology. So when I started my investment hobby and investment things on my earlier days, right? So this is the first website which I used to honestly analyze all the balance sheet, all these things. So moneycontrol.com. So still now they are maintaining their page good and their activities, everything is good. So right now, what is Money Control doing is fundamental analysis along with stocks. They have different things like mutual funds, everything they have collaborated, and accordingly, they are also populating as number one news websites like in the stock market field, and they're giving very good idea. Money Control people are aggressively using to get the data on FI data, DA data. So this is one of the very good fundamental site. So as of now, in fundamentals, we saw 3 sites. So now moving on with the next part. Technical analysis. What are the useful sites that we're going to see as a part of technical analysis? So we have actually 4 sites, 3 for technicals and 1 for the option strategy builder. So all this comes under the technical analysis. We're going to see all the sites with their login in a short. So moving on with the technical analysis. This is the first site we're going to see on technical analysis, that is investing.com. So you give any stock name here, that stock name will be displayed here, and accordingly you can go for the technical chart. So where you can apply all the technical things like SMA, EMA, all the things are available. We're going to see this site detailing on the upcoming videos, not in this video. This is our next site in technical analysis. The site name is tradingview.com. So right now TradingView is one of the trending website for the technical analysis, where you will be having all the things related with technical analysis. Like you can draw horizontal line, vertical line, all these things, and you will be having PB retracement and all the other things. And you can able to draw the patterns like triangle, everything is available. We're going to see again about this detailing on our upcoming videos. You can change the script here and you can go accordingly. Whatever script you want, you can change accordingly and you can check with that accordingly. So this is the trendy site which is available in the technical analysis as of now. Moving on with our next site of technical analysis, that is called as charting.com, where you can create different scanners here. So it's like open, low, high is the scanner which I created. It's like when open equal to low and open equal to high, what is the thing like that. So differently, bullish engulfing is there, descending channel, all these things you can pick up and you can put accordingly. You'll be getting something in free source as well. So accordingly, you can pick up and you can write, or you can write your own. So this site again, we're going to see detailing on how it works, all these things in our next video. Now moving on with the one more important strategy building analysis and checking, right? So when you go and write any options, right? So you want to check what would be your profit when the strategy is going in your favor, or what are the adjustment you have to do, right? For all these things, you can build your own strategy here. So that is the site where we'll be having. So for building some strategies, right? So for that also, I will help you on how to build the strategy accordingly about this site. So right now I have one, I have my own things right now put up here. So I'm just checking on that things and I'm following up on that accordingly, and I will go for the adjustments accordingly. So how to take up the strategy, how to do it, everything I'm going to explain you in the next video. Like when you're writing, how you have to balance, or when it is going against, how all these things, right? So all these things need to be analyzed perfectly, so that your invested capital will not be that much ruined. So that is the reason we have this site. So this is one of the free sites. So now friends, I have around close to 7 websites shown to you, both fundamental as well as technical. Okay. Now, as an eye opener, what we can do is, I'm going to make up videos separately for 2 sites, or separately for fundamental analysis, single video, and technical analysis, single video, and option strategy builders, simple video like that. I'm planning to do it in another 3 parts. And one more request to all the people who are watching this video. If you have any site that is related with technicals or fundamentals apart from this, right, try to add all these things in the comment. So what we can do is, we can club up all the things and we can make a complete video. Whether that site might be new to me, I can go ahead and check about it, and I can come up with the video on that site as well. So that would be like our bookmark, so we can use that in future too. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. So if you like the contents which I shared, right, do subscribe to my channel and do like, my dear friends, so that our team will get motivated and more videos will be published accordingly. So if you have any sites to recommend, right, apart from the 7 sites, kindly do write us on the comments so that we'll take a note of it and we will catch it and work accordingly. Thanks friends. Thanks for watching. For all live updates, try to catch us on our Telegram, and we are available on all the social networking sites. Please check the link in the description and get benefited on having a touch with us in any one of the social network platform. Thanks, my dear friend. Thanks for watching. I will meet you all up with one more video very closely within end of tomorrow. Thanks, friends. Bye-bye. Take care.